Alright, so we got this edge right here. We got this edge peeled down, and the last time I was talking about the oil can, when this bent up like this, it pushed all this metal here down. So when I pulled it back, it actually stretched it just a little bit. So luckily, no oil can. So that's good. So when I go to do the body work on all of this, then I won't have to worry about oil can. I'll need just a little bit of filler right here where this edge folded down. Now I'll come over here, and these pieces here, I kind of pull them out a little bit. Kind of got them straight. I just took a body hammer and laid it in like that, and then I took a screwdriver and laid it on the body hammer on the head of it, and just kind of peel that out. And I'd move it up one, peel it out, move it up one, peel it out, move it up one. Just went up through there like that. But if you can see that right there, from there to about there, this edge right here is bent in like that. So I am going to have to go in there and try to get something into there to bend that back out straight again. So I'll figure that out and I'll get back with you. So here's what I think I figured out. Since these right here, they're kind of louvered out like this, this is supposed to be flat. So with this bent in, I'm thinking that I'll just take and put me a stud right there, there, and just go all the way up to about right here, and then maybe put another line right down through here. That way I can pull this out here up to here. We'll do this line first right here and pull it back, and then we'll see if we need to do that line there. I don't know if we'll need to do that one or not. This could pull out enough to where it will work. So let's get that done. Alright guys, so we're gonna go back with the stud thing. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's the smallest stud I could find. We're going to try to put it about right there all the way up. Try to, and pull it back just a little bit. I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so the last video you guys seen when I was studding this, I'd put the stud gun up there and it would you know, arc and spark and all that, and it, you know, I had a hard time getting it to weld to the body. So I decided to take it over to the grinder. You see that? Cleaned it up a little bit. Took the tip of this, cleaned it up a little bit. Oh, can you guys see that? Right there, this lip right here, this goes in like that, right there. So hopefully now I won't have such a problem getting it to arc. We'll see. Some of these places up through here, I couldn't really get to that good with the angle grinder because it's so bent in. It's not a flat surface anymore. Really? So come on. Last one up here. Yeah, we might do one more up there. So now, get alright. So we took and put studs all up through here. This is all nice and flat now. There's a spot or two here where I pulled it too much. So what I'll do is I'll come back with a body hammer and just kind of flatten it out a little bit, and then see if I can't get in here and get these vents kind of flattened out a little bit. They kind of got a curl right there. And also, I wanted to ask you guys, comment below and let me know if I should just cut this completely out, just delete it. What do you guys think? I was thinking about leaving it. It's where the heater gets its air from the inside, but really, guys, I'm not going to be driving this in the winter time. In the summertime, I'll have the windows down. I'll have the vent on the cowl open. So, I mean, is there really a need for it? You guys let me know. So, we've got all this right here. It's pretty well straight. I mean, it's right there, in that little hole is a low spot, but for the most part, all this right here is pretty well straight. This down through here, you know, it's got little bumps in it where I use the studs, but when I go to do the body work or whatever, that ain't gonna be no big problem to get out. So guys, that's gonna do it for today. Been out here for about, going on about 5 hours now, 6 hours, something like that. You guys will get to see a whole 16 minutes, but you know, I wanted to get this door, you know, get that dent out of the door. I wanted to get the door adjusted, put it back on. I got all that done. Probably just going to get some old rattle can brown primer up the bare metal that's on it, and call it a day. Like I said, you know, I've had this thing for years. Just kind of been setting and setting and setting. Would like to maybe enjoy it this summer, and then this fall pull it in here and just blow it completely apart and do all the body work on it. do all the sanding, do all the plastic work, do all the, you know, update everything. Mind you, you know, it's the technology that's here was good for its day, but we have way better technology today than we did back in 1949. So, you know, if you have the technology, use it. Anyway, like I said in my first video, let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments below what I can do better, what I can do that you don't like, anything that you want to see. Like I said, I want to grow with you guys. Second, third video, I don't know, something like that. I'm going to try to get on them more and try to have one come out every Friday night. I don't know, but we'll see how that works. But anyway, thank you guys. I appreciate it. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.